Why do 70% of VR gamers experience lag on their Pico 4 Ultra? Let's fix that. First things first, check your PC specs. Make sure you have a powerful graphics card like an NVIDIA RTX 40 series or an AMD Radeon RX 7000 series and enough RAM. Your CPU should also be VR ready. Next, update your drivers and firmware. Get the latest graphics card drivers and ensure your Pico 4 Ultra has the newest firmware installed. Now, let's tweak in-game settings. Lower texture quality, anti-aliasing, and shadows. Experiment with render resolutions to balance visuals and performance. For PC VR streaming, use a dedicated high-speed Wi-Fi network or go wired for stability. Use Virtual Desktop to prioritize low latency and stable frame rates. Adjust bitrate settings for optimal balance. Finally, close unnecessary background applications. Monitor your PC's temperature and ensure your Pico 4 Ultra's IPD is set correctly. Follow these steps and enjoy a smoother VR experience.